Hello. The COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher Countertop is a convenient and compact dishwasher that offers various features for easy dishwashing. Here are the key features of this product. No installation needed. This dishwasher doesn't require any installation. You can manually add water to the 5L built-in water tank, allowing you to place the dishwasher in any suitable location without the need for a water hookup. Alternatively, you can connect it directly to your kitchen faucet using the included water hose and adapter. Ultra-compact design. Despite its small size, this dishwasher can wash over 30 items at a time, including plates up to 9.5 inches in diameter. Its compact design makes it perfect for small houses, apartments, dorms, boats, campers, and RVs, where space is limited. 6 program options. The dishwasher offers 6 program options to suit different washing needs. These options include normal, rapid, steam, fruit, glass washing programs, and an AR refresh extra drying mode. Each program is designed to effectively clean specific types of dishes. Note that regular dishwasher powders or detergents are recommended, as regular liquid dish soap may cause issues. The fruit program doesn't require detergent, and rapid only needs half the standard quantity. Or 92 high-temp hygiene. The hygiene wash cyclically raises the water temperature during rinsing to 162 and up to 192, ensuring thorough cleaning even for heavily soiled dishes. This high-temperature setting is also suitable for cleaning baby bottles and children's dinner sets, providing added hygiene. To purchase the product and find more detailed information, you can click on the link provided below the video.